Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the complete process on how to delete Android Studio completely. If you're looking to fully remove Android Studio and its residual files, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure that Android Studio is closed. If it's currently running, go ahead and close the application completely before proceeding. Head over to the search bar in the Windows taskbar and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel to open it. Once it is opened, navigate to Programs, and now select Programs and Features. Find Android Studio from the list of installed programs. Once you have found it, click on Android Studio and then click Uninstall. If prompted with administrative permissions, click Yes. A new window will appear confirming the uninstallation process. Make sure to select User Settings if prompted and click Next, followed by Uninstall. Although Android Studio has now been uninstalled, residual files may still exist on your system. To completely remove them, open File Explorer. Once it is opened, navigate to your C drive. Then go to Users and select your username. Then open that folder. In this folder, locate the .gradle folder, right-click on it and choose Delete. If you have this folder, delete it. Next, look for any Android Studio project files you may have created. If you wish to keep these, back them up in a separate location. If not, go ahead and delete them. I haven't created any project. That's why I don't have that folder. Now we have to enable hidden folders. Click on the View tab in File Explorer on the top. Check the box for Hidden Items to make sure hidden folders are visible. Once enabled, locate the App Data folder. Then open this folder and navigate to Local. Delete the Android folder from this directory. Open the search bar again and type Android Studio. Right-click on the Android Studio result and choose Open File Location. This will bring you to the Start Menu Programs folder. Go to Programs folder from here. Delete the Android Studio shortcut found here. Type Android Studio in the search bar once more. It should no longer appear in the search results. Congratulations! You have now successfully uninstalled Android Studio and cleared all its residual files from your system. And that's how you delete Android Studio completely. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.